Welcome to another video of English for Us. En el día de hoy vamos a hablar sobre el verbo to be en pasado, o dígase, past simple. Si aún no has visto nuestro video sobre el verbo to be en simple present, te invito a que vayas a mi canal y busques el video que te lo voy a dejar por acá el link. So, let's start. The simple past, we use them when we want to talk about those actions that are completed in the past. So, como ya quizás sabes, el verbo to be en presente sería am, is, and are. En pasado simple sería was and were. Quiere decir, yo estuve, tú estuviste, ella estuvo, right? So, let's continue. For example, Tom is at school today. Tom was at home yesterday. Tom, en esta primera parte que tenemos arriba, viene siendo en simple present. Tom está en la escuela hoy. Tom was at home yesterday, quiere decir Tom estuvo o estaba en la escuela ayer. Next one. Como puedes observar, el pasado de is vendría siendo was. Este was lo vamos siempre a utilizar cuando nos referimos al singular o la tercera persona del singular. Dígase he, she, and it. Vamos ahora al plural. Acá tenemos we are at school today. El verbo to be vendría siendo are. Ahora bien, el pasado del verbo to be vendría siendo were. We were at home yesterday. So, nosotros estamos en la escuela hoy. En pasado, nosotros estábamos en la escuela ayer. Si te fijas, también debemos de utilizar un time expression. Los time expressions son aquellos que utilizamos frases de tiempos. Dígase yesterday or today. Sabemos que debemos utilizarla, pues depende en el tiempo que estemos hablando. Aquí yo estoy hablando en pasado simple. So voy a utilizar yesterday, que quiere decir ayer. Aquí tenemos la estructura que vamos a utilizar. Si se pueden fijar, we have the conjugation of the verb to be in simple past. Para I, he, she, and it, el verbo to be vendría siendo was. Para el plural, we, you, and they, el verbo to be vendría siendo were. In positive, we can say was. In negative, we can say wasn't. Wasn't es la contracción de was not. For example, I wasn't at school yesterday. Yo no estaba en la escuela ayer. Or in plural, we weren't at school yesterday. También podemos hacer, al igual que como lo hacemos con el presente simple, si vamos a hacer un yes, no questions en English o pregunta cerrada, podemos utilizar el verbo to be al inicio de la pregunta. For example, was he at school yesterday? Eso quiere decir, ¿estaba él en la escuela ayer? O were we at school yesterday? Simplemente lo que vamos a utilizar acá es que vamos a cambiar el verbo to be al inicio de la pregunta. Para ustedes responder una yes no question in simple past, for example, we have, was he at home yesterday? So you can answer, yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Or, were you at home yesterday? You can say, yes, you were, or no, you weren't. So, simple like this, como su pues gramática lo dice, simple past. Esto es super easy. We have over here Bob and Bill. One day, excuse me, Bob was hungry too. Fred was in the park. He wasn't hungry. Chuck, Ted, Benji, and Beethoven were also in the park. They weren't hungry. They were happy. Ted said, "There was a sign, Bill." He also said, "It was a very funny." Soon we were in the park too. We were fast and we were still hungry. There was a chest in the sandbox. It was full of bones. There were bones for everyone. There was a bone for Bob and one for Ted and one for Fred. There were bones everywhere. The friends were never more hungry. Now you try. Vamos a completar ese ejercicio utilizando lo aprendido el día de hoy. ¿Qué crees que haría en esta parte? I at home yesterday.
Yeah!
Si tu respuesta fue wasn't, estás en lo cierto. La siguiente, I at school.
Yeah!
Si tu respuesta fue was, estás correcto. Next one, I happy because my friends at school too. Aquí tenemos, we have two in one.
Yeah! Yeah!
Si tus respuestas fueron was and were, you are correct. The next one, they happy too.
Yeah!
If your answer was were, you are correct. The last one, Tom in the playground last week.
Yeah!
In this case, it was. He with his dad.
Yeah!
So, in this case, also, we're going to use was. Tom's mom in the playground. If you look at the picture, La madre de Tom estaba in the playground.
Yeah.
If your answer was wasn't, you are correct. Tom on the slide.
Yeah.
If your answer was wasn't, you're correct. And finally, he on the swing. If your answer was wasn't, you're incorrect. So
Yeah.
he was on the swing. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, si quieres más videos como este, recuerda seguirme en English for Us, donde estaré publicando muchos más videos como estos que pues te van a enseñar a aprender inglés finally, como tú querías. So, see you in the next class.